Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Chef Connie, and today I have two junior chefs. They are going to make a, do you know what kind of dessert you're making?
Yes, graveyard pudding with gummy worms, Oreos, mushed up Oreos, and some bats and spiders.
Okay, you heard it. So I guess it's called a spooky graveyard pudding dessert, Halloween. That's why we are dressed looking kind of spooky.
But
And
my
so-
brother, we didn't have one for my brother, so but he's
So-
still spooky.
All right, so this is gonna be an uncut video. Pray for the best. 6-year-old, how old are you?
He
A
almost
A
changed.
6-year-old, a 9-year-old, I think we can do it. But we can do it. So let's go, we're gonna go to our work table and start making some deliciousness. What do you guys think about that?
Yeah!
All right, here we go. We're gonna go to our table and start showing you how to make this deliciousness.
So,
Wait. Hi everyone, we are back, they are back, and I'm gonna let them run this video. And this is the video of how to make spooky pudding. Ooh, Halloween is so close. All right, kids, take over. What are you gonna do first?
we have the butter. No,
No,
we have the chocolate pudding right here.
What do you have there?
Right here. So we're gonna have to scoop it up. I'll tell you.
And then we
when
first have to do like
you
that.
like that.
Or
I'm
don't
gonna tell you when to stop.
keep on dipping.
See? You gotta keep on dipping.
Yeah.
Good job. You guys are doing a great
And
job.
we have to stop when it goes right here.
Now you have to show them. This pudding looks like delicious, so I recommend you guys taste it. But if you're allergic to it,
Can't taste it.
Okay.
how am I gonna say
Are we
that?
getting there? We're
Yeah,
getting
when I was
there.
getting there, I'm at the middle. I don't know about her.
You're almost done. Good job.
I'm doing good also.
Okay, we're almost done.
And the pudding. So what would you do first for the pudding? You would probably have your mom make the pudding for you, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Make
Right.
your mom or your auntie or your auntie or
Ask
whatever.
your mom to make your pudding.
Make your pudding and then just do and then
In
some
a
gummy
big
worms,
bowl.
buy some of these and buy some
That's
chipped up
enough for
Oreos.
me.
I mean just buy some Oreos and just chip them up. So I'm almost there. I just
I'm
need to fill
already
up the
here.
sides.
I'm already here.
And when you say break up the Oreos, you mean put them in a bag, right? Put the Oreos in a bag.
I'm almost
And then
done.
the plastic bag Ziploc, and then lay them down, and then hit them with the back of a spoon, and that'll break them up and make them look.
Okay, I'm
like-
all done.
So you're gonna
Yes.
stop. You're gonna stop right here.
That's
Yep.
good. Yeah, perfect. You guys are good. And
need a
now,
napkin.
okay. And now, what's the next step? After you
That's
put your
part of
pudding in the
cooking.
cup,
That's
You
part
put
of
some
cooking.
chipped up
Getting
Oreos.
all
so
of
we got some
things.
broken up Oreos that you're gonna use as the dirt
Okay,
on top of your pudding.
You go first, Taylor.
You can get it with your hand. You can grab some with your hand. Just throw it in.
But I'm just about to just grab some.
Just drop it in, a lot in. Oh, good. You can use a little bit more if you like.
Fine, I'm not doing one.
I'm trying to give
Okay, that's good. Yours is good.
Mine
That's
is
good.
good.
Okay, put that over there.
I'm about to put the, hey, I'm about to just put this right here.
Okay.
I got a full hand.
I'm
Look at
assisting
this
them today.
dropping.
Here you
Hey,
go.
hey, that's
That's
enough.
perfect. That's perfect.
enough.
Now, what's the next thing we're gonna put in here? What are these?
Gummy
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 worms.
worms. Woo! All
As-
right, let's move
As
this.
the zombies coming
Move
out the
that.
grave.
And let everybody
like to-
watch. You can just pick your worms up and with your hand and just put in
Hey,
a couple of worms.
Yeah.
Just put in a couple of worms. Good job. Oh my goodness, look at that. And then your other worm. Perfect. Oh, you're gonna put in 3? Perfect.
And I want to put 4.
Okay, that's good enough. Perfect.
Now
And there we go.
what looks like a pile of gummy worms.
So we've got gummy worms.
Oh yeah, but
Perfect.
you could call them.
Yeah.
Gummy worm.
Let's see what we got here. Hold yours up. Good job.
It's
Looking good.
nice.
And now we're going to do the bats and the spiders. And you can just pick those up with your hands.
Put them there on. I'm about to get the
I'm just
spiders.
good.
He's about to
2
be right
bats
here.
and 1 spider.
I'm just about to just get anybody.
Because I love bats more than spiders.
Okay.
Spiders are scary for me.
So I'm about to put one bat right
I'm
here.
not talking about like those regular spiders, not like baby spiders. I'm not scared of baby spiders or regular spiders. I'm just scared about the long ones. Things that you cannot kill. But you have to have something.
Okay, folks, you hear that? There's some spiders out there you cannot kill. So we are going to get a close-up of exactly what these guys have. This is a fun project to do. Is this project fun, kids?
Yeah.
Very fun, very fun.
Very fun.
Yeah, I put, you know why I put a lot of
Now you see,
my back.
you know spiders like to hunt down their prey. They're looking at these 2 beds.
Yeah.
So here's the one that was made by Janaya. That came out nicely. She apparently loves spiders. And then you can see the bats and
I don't like
everything that
spiders,
crushed
I
up
like
cookies.
bats.
Okay, I bet she likes
And
bats.
I like Batman.
And then here's the
personally.
one made by Jamarian. And this one's cute as
You
well.
like Spider-Man?
Okay. And while they're doing all this talking, let's do the deliciousness test. There we go. And there you go. All right, kids. On the count of 3, try it. Go ahead, taste your and see what we got there.
There's a little gummy worm. Mmm.
Okay.
That's very good.
So on the count of 3, our word is deliciousness, right, kids?
Yeah.
Let me see if I can squeeze in here with the group. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. And what's the word of the day?
Delicious.
Thanks for watching. And we will be back, and I will be back with more cool videos with easy desserts you can do with the kids. And bye for now.
Can I get some? Goodbye,
Bye.
everybody. Goodbye.
Hope you subscribe.
Goodbye. Subscribe and go to the link and then
And then subscribe, go to the link, click the bell, and when she makes a new video with us, you will get the notifications. And make sure you hit the thumbs up.
Thank you. Yay. Bye.